Welcome to part 4 of Let's Learn Calculus. Today we're going to be looking at difference quotients. So the difference quotient is just a play on our average slope formula. And if you recall, the average slope formula was just f of x2 minus f of x1 divided by x2 minus x1. So the difference quotient, all that we're doing is instead of talking about 2 points, x1 and x2, we're going to be talking about the difference between them just being h. So x2 minus x1 is equal to h, or we can just replace x2 with x1 plus h. Now, because we really don't care what x1 is, we'll just replace it with any old value, so we'll just call it x. And the difference quotient is now f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h. So let's look at the difference quotient graphically. So if we have 2 points, f of x, and x plus h, f of x plus h, where the difference between the 2 points is h, so the run is h, and then the rise is just f of x plus h minus f of x. So if we look at the slope, it's the same thing as our difference quotient, which is f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h. So example 1 just asks us to find the difference quotient for f of x is 3x squared minus x. So let's look at the difference quotient. So we have our dq h of x is going to be f of x plus h minus f of x, all divided by h. Well, if we go ahead and we substitute everything in, that's going to be 3 times x plus h, this quantity squared, minus x plus h. Then from that we're going to subtract f, so we're going to subtract 3x squared minus x. And that's all going to be divided by h. So this is going to simplify down a little bit to 3 times x squared plus 2xh plus h squared minus x minus h minus 3x squared plus x. And that's all divided by h. And this is equal to 3x squared plus 6xh plus 3h squared minus x minus h minus 3x squared plus x, all divided by h. And now some things cancel. Our 3x squareds cancel. We have a minus x and a plus x. And I believe that is it for things canceling right now. So the other thing that we could do is we can factor out an h in our numerator. So we'll have h times 6x plus 3h minus 1. And this is all divided by h. So this is equal to 6x plus 3h minus 1. And that's going to do it for this video. If you guys liked it, hit the like button. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a question in the comments, and I will see you guys in the next one.